Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we want to talk about loppers. So we were at Costco the other day and we found these loppers, these Fisker loppers, and they also came with a pair of outdoor scissors, like for cutting weeds and plants and stuff like that. Pull that off. There you go. There they are. So we got them home. We opened the package, and the first reaction was,
wow, they're so light.
Very light, which made me think,
you know,
they might not work that well. But I just went and tried them, and whoa. I was like, Mom, you have to try this.
And the funny thing is, Steph's neighbor was across the fence and he heard us talking. So he walked on over and he tried them. And the next Wednesday I went to Costco and I bought him a pair.
So
and I got myself a pair too.
Yes. So we want to talk, and they're available in many other places besides Costco. Put a link to that. But we want to show, we actually have two other pairs of loppers that we've used. And loppers are used just to cut, small branches, nothing too major, but we've had...
So tall.
Yeah, taller things. So we've had this pair of Fiskers for a while, and it works okay, but they're heavy. And then we got a pair from Harbor Freight, and that was a mistake.
Don't waste your money.
These are super heavy and don't work great at all. So we're going to show you kind of all three of them, and because we're really excited about these. It's not too often.
Too excited about loppers.
About loppers,
they're
hey.
amazing.
Let's go lop some stuff. Okay, so Mom's going to test these out. She's going to test the Harbor Freight one first. We're going to cut kind of the same spot on a tree. You can see she's struggling a little bit with that.
Got it.
Okay, now she's gonna try the older Fiskers that we've had, so you can get an idea. Easy, not too bad. And now she's gonna try the new Fiskers.
So easy. It requires almost no effort. It is pretty amazing. Look at that. That's it. That's all it takes. No effort at all to do this. Anyone can do this, any age. It's great.
Well, and one thing that they mentioned on their website is I think this is specifically like certified for people with arthritis. That was something that was listed on the website. Obviously it's for anybody, but that is also if you have some low mobility in your hands. This is
which I do. So that really is pretty amazing that it cuts that easily. Look at that. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, now Steph is going to give it a go. She'll start with the Harbor Freight ones. Okay, head in there.
oh God. Oh my God.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, good job. Ugh. Okay, now the other pair of Fiskers, the original ones, which cuts really well.
Not bad.
And these brand new ones.
So light.
Oh, wait, I didn't get a chance to even... Okay.
This feels like a toy. This feels like a toy.
I know.
That performs like a precision tool. Like, I am blown away by this. These Fiskers work pretty decent, but they are a little kind of annoying because they're tall. And again, they do make a model like this with taller handles if you're trying to like get up higher. But this feels like a toy that works like that in the best of ways. Like it feels so light, but it's definitely like quality. It doesn't feel cheap, and it's fun.
Well, don't go too far. Oh gosh. Okay, that needed to be cleared out anyway.
This is a must-have tool for anybody. This is a great tool. We'll put links to all the ones we can find of this. This is awesome. Highly recommend.